Are you sick of buying affiliate marketing courses that promise the world but leave you making absolutely zero commissions? You are not alone. Today, we are looking at Affiliate Hijack, a system claiming to use a secret loophole and 100% free traffic to generate massive commissions. The creators, Paul and Wayne, claim this exact method has made them over $600,000. But does it actually work, or is it just more guru hype? Stick around, because if you click the first link in the description below, I'm giving away an exclusive App Verdict bonus bundle with 10 premium tools to force this system into overdrive. But you have to hurry because I'm only giving these away to the first 25 buyers. Here's my honest first impression. Affiliate Hijack is not one of those fake push-button AI tools that promise you will get rich while you sleep. The truth is, AI cannot build a highly profitable campaign entirely on its own. You still need a human touch and a proven strategy. Affiliate Hijack gives you the exact templates and campaigns that super affiliates use behind the scenes. If you are a frustrated beginner struggling to get traffic or make sales, this is a massive shortcut. So what exactly is Affiliate Hijack? It's a 3-step training system and template pack that lets you duplicate winning affiliate campaigns. It solves the biggest problem new marketers face, trying to figure out what the super affiliates are actually doing. For years, Paul and Wayne reverse engineered the biggest campaigns in the industry. They took what worked, removed the fluff, and created a copy and paste blueprint. Whether you're promoting products on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, this shows you how to hijack proven funnels and drive free traffic to them. You don't need an email list, you don't need an ad budget, and you don't need technical skills. Let's jump into the members area. When you log in, everything is laid out in a simple step-by-step format. The core system is broken down into 3 levels. Levels 1 and 2 are built specifically for complete beginners. You'll see the exact pitfalls to avoid so you don't sabotage your campaigns before they even start. Level 3 is the advanced section. This is where you learn how to scale your free traffic and maximize your commissions. You also get access to the exact templates Paul has used for over 10 years. Instead of spending months trying to build a funnel from scratch, you just download his templates, plug in your affiliate links, and follow the free traffic training to get eyeballs on your offers.
Hijack, the affiliate loophole I use to bank $608,432.24 using 100% free traffic. Well, this is exactly what I've been doing for the past so many years, and that is making very good money with affiliate marketing, sending tiny amounts of free traffic and generating sky high conversions. And this is called Affiliate Hijack. So what you're now going to learn is exactly how I've been doing things, and also my brand new system, which I've only been using over the last couple of years to generate even more money with affiliate marketing by using a 3-step system. This is actually a 3-level system: level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1 is for beginners, level 2 is for intermediate marketers, and level 3 is for advanced marketers. So this is a brand new affiliate system that I've been using over the last couple of years, and it's going really, really well, and I want to share it with you. However, I just want to say that my affiliate marketing wasn't always like this. When I first got started, like you, I really struggled, and my stats, my income was absolutely awful. So what I'm going to first do is show you some stats when I first got started, so you can see how bad it really was for me. And then once I implemented my affiliate hijack methods, you'll see how much things really changed and how much more money I started to make. So here you'll see that some of these campaigns I only made 1 to 5 sales. Some of them I made a little bit more, but I mean the income I was making like $20, 21, 22, 24, 25. I mean sometimes I might make a little bit more, up to like 30, but this was just a complete waste of time. And I'm sure that this looks very familiar, because when you first start out of affiliate marketing, you kind of get drawn into doing things like a lot of people tell you to do, but it's completely wrong information. So what you need to start doing is doing things differently. And this is exactly what I've been doing in my own business. So I made the mistake of following terrible advice back in the day and following outdated information. And this is the money I made. I made $20. I was sending this traffic and I was spending a lot of time and I was making $20. Now, you might not even be making this much money. You might be making a little bit more, a little bit less, but this is what I made, and it was a complete waste of time. I was banging my head against a brick wall for months. So in the end, I decided to make up my own system and learn this stuff myself. And I managed to reverse engineer what people were doing, what the successful people were doing, and I come up with my own system. And then a couple of years ago, I improved things even more. So my campaigns were even more profitable. So what I'm now going to show you is the results after I've implemented some of these tactics and this strategy that I'm going to show you in Affiliate Hijack. So this is the first campaign. So you'll see the difference. Now look at how much money I made here, $1,330.67. But look at the conversions, 45% as opposed to 2%, 3%, 4%, 45%, a lot more sales and a lot more money. So let's go through some of these campaigns here. So this one wasn't a lot of traffic, only 148 hops with 72 sales, 48% conversion, $1,110. This one, so you'll notice that a lot of these campaigns, I don't send a lot of traffic because I focus on conversions. And this is exactly what I do in Affiliate Hijack now. I focus more on conversions and the results speak for themselves. So $1,103. And I'm going to show you how you can do this for yourself. It's very, very easy to do. Very simple if you're armed with the right information. 111 hops, 38 sales, 34% conversion, and $1,022. This one, another $1,000 there with 90 sales. This one, $865, 104 sales with 186 people, 55% conversion rate, $805 there. This one was a good one, $4,057, 30% conversion rate, 280 sales. This one was $2,950, 30% conversion rate, 117 sales. This one was a 44% conversion rate, 95 sales, $2,519. This one was 101 sales, a 50% conversion rate, 2,440. So you can see the difference. The difference is massive from what I used to do from what I now do here. And this is very, very powerful stuff. But at the same time, it's very simple. So what you're going to be learning from me in Affiliate Hijack is exactly how you can do this for yourself and set up campaigns that generate sky high conversions and more money than what you would normally make if you did things the old way. So if you want to grab Affiliate Hijack and see exactly what I'm doing right here and how you can start implementing this same affiliate system yourself starting today using 100% free traffic, then click the button below. Now before you go, I do also have some amazing bonuses as well. There's also 3 really good bonuses that I'm going to be giving you as well on Affiliate Hijack. So once you pick up Affiliate Hijack from this page, there will also be 3 bonuses waiting for you as well, which makes it just a complete no-brainer. So if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way and know exactly how I've been doing this myself, and I've made well over 600 grand doing this, and the great thing is you can also use this to sell your own stuff as well. So it isn't just about affiliate marketing. You can use this to make money as a product owner as well, because I've been doing this to sell my own stuff and other people's stuff. So whether you sell digital courses, premium content, premium courses and coaching and any services, any info products, whatever it is you sell, you can use this to sell pretty much anything on the internet. So any affiliate offer which is owned by other people, or your own stuff, your own products. So it works for both. So if you want to grab this, click the button below now, and then you can start going through the exact Affiliate Hijack system that I've been using for many years. But the last couple of years, I've implemented some big changes as well. So it's now even more powerful than what it was back 8 or 9 years ago when I was making some very, very good money, but now it's even more powerful and more effective because I've made a few little tweaks. So if you want to know what they are and know exactly how I now do things, click the button below and I'll see you on the inside very soon. But make sure you act quick because the price is going up with every sale. We've set the price so that every time someone buys, the price goes up slightly. So the longer you leave it, the more you will pay. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Click the button now and we'll see you soon. Take care.
Now let's talk about the pricing and the funnel. The front-end price for Affiliate Hijack is on a dime sale right now, starting at just $10.16. This means the price goes up with every single sale. You keep 100% of the value for the price of a cheap pizza. Once you're inside, you'll see 5 optional upgrades. These range from $17 up to $37. These upgrades are completely optional, but they include done-for-you campaigns, advanced traffic multipliers, and reseller rights to help you scale much faster. You can start with just the $10 front end and still get massive value. Now for the best part. If you grab Affiliate Hijack through the link in the description below, you're getting the exclusive App Verdict Mega Vault. This is a massive collection of premium tools designed to guarantee your success. Here's exactly what you get when you buy through my link today. Pin Marketer, software to fully automate your Pinterest tasks and drive completely free, untapped buyer traffic to your Affiliate Hijack funnels. Soci Ultima, an all-in-one social media tool that boosts your video views and traffic across multiple platforms for free. FB Viral Turbo Machine, a powerful application that forces people to share your links before they can access your content, creating a viral loop of traffic. Leadbook Generator, a premium plugin that automatically adds leads from Facebook directly into your autoresponder. Opt-in Monster, floating opt-in panels to easily collect names and emails so you can build your own profitable list. PowerList Pro, high-converting entry and exit pop-ups to capture visitors before they leave your page. WP Email Timer Plus, software that adds beautiful countdown timers inside your emails and on your web pages to force buyers to take action immediately. Conversion Equalizer, a foolproof system to boost your conversion rate so every click you get turns into cash. WP Checkout Maximizer, software that enhances the buyer experience and dramatically increases your sales conversions. Video Hub, a premium platform that lets you start your own video subscription service to monetize your new traffic. That's 10 premium softwares and plugins included completely free when you pick up Affiliate Hijack today. My final verdict, Affiliate Hijack is a no-brainer. It strips away the complex, outdated advice and gives you the exact blueprint super affiliates use to dominate leaderboards. But you need to act fast. Because this is on a dime sale, the price is literally increasing every hour. If you close this page and come back tomorrow, you'll pay more. Plus, my App Verdict Mega Vault bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers. Once those spots are gone, the bonuses are removed permanently. Don't miss out on these traffic and conversion tools. Click the first link in the description below right now to lock in your copy of Affiliate Hijack at the lowest possible price and claim all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus purchase receipt area. Just click the blue Access Bonus button. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest reviews and underground marketing strategies. Click the link below, grab Affiliate Hijack, and I will see you on the inside.